Okay, today we are looking at what type of mini bikes you should buy used. So we're only looking at buying used bikes today. Um, so to get them started is the size of frame and the size of tires. If you can, try and find one with the 19 by 7 by 8 tires, the great tires, and these bigger Baja Warrior frames, the really good frames. My friend actually was riding his Baja Warrior to work and back. Pretty far away on mini bike. Um, my, my dad's Manco mini bike. It's decent. It does look nice, but first they don't usually come with decent brakes. My we did have to add this clutch brake, and that's still not super great. But when I sit on his bike, it does feel decent. My knees do kind of come up high. The gas tank is located where a motorcycle gas tank would be, as well as my bike. Newer bikes will have storage tanks instead of gas tanks, but we did add this light. But his bike does feel pretty decent. It is just a smaller frame. There might even be smaller bikes that my dad's, and I'm now looking at my bike. My knees don't come up as high. The pegs are located where they would be on a cruiser, which is good for street riding. But for off-roading, I added these off-roading pegs that I can stand up on the pegs. I these bikes do have headlights. Normally, if they have the normal engine, if they don't, the guy you're buying them from might have the old engine with the coils from the light to make it work. I'll go over that in a later video. But these are great mini bikes. They do have super good brakes, and they are cool man bikes like these, and trail master bikes. I did add this back fender seat. This is more for looks. I guess I could strap something to that if I wanted to, but that's more for looks. My dad's bike does have 16-inch tires. Mine are 18-inch tires, or technically the 19-inch tires, but the more like 18-inch tires. But these type of mini bikes with the motorcycle style seat and the heavier duty forks front forks. These are the best type of mini bikes that you can find with the bigger tires. But if you're looking at a bike, well, like my dad's, um, still a decent bike, just not as big as a frame. And what more are you looking to do? If you're looking to go off-roading, I bought my bike with just the clutch running to the back sprocket. No torque converter on it, which that will burn up the clutch going off-roading. My dad's bike is the same way, but it is on this huge sprockets that will pop wheelies when you take off. And lastly is just like I said, what are you looking to do with it, and like where are you taking it, or are you taking it or on back roads that might be faster than your standard neighborhood roads, or are you just cruising around in your neighborhood? This bike will do great on back roads. It will do 40. My dad's bike is pretty slow. And also look at the mods out on the bike. Here, I'll show you. My bike does have a straight pipe exhaust that sounds like a real motorcycle, which I love the straight pipe exhaust. Them just sound so good. My dad's exhaust is just a normal exhaust, and you cannot mod these exhaust to sound like that I think is a permanent exhaust, where Predator engines, they can be modded. So yeah, I think that is it. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.